amazing. Let's give everyone a Happy New Year. You want to do that? 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year! Woo! Thank you. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Keep this bunk. Seven minutes. This is Times Square. Imagine Times Square, fam. Imagine how many people there is. I wonder. Make your guesses in the comments. Let me know. Fam, this guy's on FaceTime with his... Bruh. So this is the first time I'm watching this live. I've never even seen it drop before. Let's check it out. About to be a new year, 2025. Here we go. Here we go. 1 minute. Oh my gosh, 1 minute. Oh no. Oh no. 2025, fam. Get ready, y'all better lock in. About to be a big year. About to be crazy, fam. Whatever you're trying to do, you can achieve that. Let's go ahead and run that this year. You know, really work towards what you're trying to do. Whatever that is, you can do anything, fam. So let's do this. 7, 6. Happy New... Happy New Year. Oh no. It's officially 2025. Alright, bro, that's enough of this. And you know what that means. I don't know if y'all have ever seen this guy or the trend. Apparently, we leaving this guy in 2024. So, you know, I gotta be one of them people. I'll see you later. We ain't never seen you again, yo.